You guys, dreams do come true. It's really cool. I am exactly where I want to be, and I'll tell you where I am. I'm shooting a corporate video for the M4000 for VUZIX. I think because of this clip, I love these glasses. They realize I like their product, and they wanted me to show other people about it. So take a look at this. It's COVID time, so we're doing this on a budget. We've got one camera guy, my man B. Rice, who's watching it. We got it all set up in here, which is really cool. Again, COVID times, here's wardrobe and a little bit of crafty. So craft services, and then go sit down and we start talking about the M4000. This is why I like the M4000. This was made for one thing, and it's what you're doing. This is a beast. Look at this field of view. It's absolutely amazing. It's huge. It's like looking at a 70-inch TV screen from 15 inches away. Is this amazing? We got a little bit, if you notice from the other videos, we have Cyborg Man. I'm turning into a dual-eye Cyborg Man. Got a lot of the things. Really excited for this opportunity. I really believe in the product. I think it's a really, really good product, and that's why, I'm saying these things about it. Stay tuned. It's exciting times.